Hey yo, just turn me up. Yo, it's been a long time. Turn me up a little bit more. I wanna make sure they can feel me. Turn me up just a little bit like more. That. Can you feel me? Do that, do that, do it, do that, do that. You feel me? Do that, do that. Play it right here. Do that, do that. You feel me? That dance floor. Can you feel me? Yeah. Let's play a game. Let's pretend for a second you don't know who I am and what I do. Let's just put it to the side. Come on. I can feel your heart beating, I can hear you breathing. Look into your eyes, trying to see into your mind, see into your soul. See, no limits to the levels me and you can go when it's me that's in control. But it's something about you that make me wanna change. I like the way you dance and the way you play the game. I like the way you take away the pain. The way you tell me that you want it, not saying a thing. The way you got me going out of my brain. I see us going at it, going in and out of them lanes. I don't want your innocence, I don't want you to stutter. I don't want a commitment and I don't want you to suffer. I don't want your number, baby, I want you to wonder. Want you to come up, looking like it's something you wanna.
Tell me what you're thinking about when you got me waiting patiently. Usually I don't have to wait for nobody. When it's something about you that really got me feeling weak, and I'm trying to find the words to speak. Boy, I got my eyes on you. So tell me what you wanna do. I can picture you in my room until the morning. I don't even know your name. Boy, I need to know your name. I'm hoping that you feel the same. Tell me if you want it. I know you're gonna like it.
I like it.